Ooh, look at you. Now, once Summer has created her final product, it becomes finished goods and is ready to sell. Oh, a text from Summer. Guess what? She just sold her first blend. Let's go visit the ladies and see how they're handling it.
So how do we record this now?
Well, now, it's recorded as cost of goods sold.
That's not so difficult.
A piece of cake. In fact, I think it's time for a piece of cake to celebrate this first legitimate sale. Meanwhile, I'm going to turn it over to an expert who can walk you through the journal entries that will happen. Take it away, my friend.
Some companies choose not to track inventory product by product inside their accounting. So occasionally there's an inventory count and you adjust inventory according to the value that is left. So maybe at the end of each quarter, someone will go do a physical count, figure out the value of that inventory, and then you do a journal entry to adjust the value of that asset. So I'm going to go ahead and make an adjustment to inventory. Let me type in inventory asset, which is a current asset on this company's books. And we're going to go ahead and say they have an increase in inventory between the last inventory count and now. So let's say that value has increased by $15,000. And I'll just type adjust to physical count. Okay. By the way, I might want to attach that physical count worksheet to this journal entry, which you can in QuickBooks Online. I'll show you where that is in a second. And then I'm going to adjust that against cost of goods sold. And you can see it's already pre-populated the debit side of that, adjusted to physical count. Obviously, you want the date correct. Let's say that physical count was done on March 31st. And then down at the bottom here, there is a way to attach documents. So if you do have that physical inventory count that maybe somebody went around the warehouse and wrote it all down and signed off on it, and you determine what the value of that inventory was, you've got an attachment right here. You just click through and you can browse to that. So that's kind of cool. All right, and that is how to adjust cost of goods sold with an inventory adjustment.